Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you use Bitget Pay in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon, and after going in here you will get to see this option of Bitget Pay into popular. Just simply tap to Bitget Pay and open this section. Now after coming into this section, you will get these options of scan, receive, transfer and settings. Now in order to use the Bitget Pay, first of all you have to use either receive or transfer. If you would like to receive the crypto or any of the other funds into your account, you will have to select receive option and verify your KYC. And after receiving, if you would like to send the crypto and funds to other people, you have to select this transfer option. And after that, you have to very easily you can very easily do Use Bitget Pay. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.